Hello everyone, my name is Saida. Welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. In this session, I will teach you how to make a simple repeat with the simple forms like dots and strip. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. Here, I prepare a simple shape consisting of multiple circles to make a pattern with. As you can see, circles are in different size and colors. And before I start, that I would like to mention an important hint to you. Remember, all of the shapes and forms that you draw in your design should be solid. As you can see in this design, all the circles are faded. So to prevent this problem, remember uncheck the anti-alias box for all tools. It means all the tools that should be unchecked while you are drawing. For example, in lasso tool, magic wand, and rectangular marquee tools and their subsets, the anti-alias should be unchecked. Okay, now I began my design by choosing circle by rectangular marquee tool. Then I'm going to edit and define pattern. While choosing this, the windows pops up that we can see. We can change the name of the pattern, and I name it to circle. Then I'm going back to the select option and selecting the deselect icon. As you can see, in front of all these commands, that shortcuts are shown. And using this shortcut helping you to design faster. For example, instead of selecting and deselect, you can push Ctrl key and D on your keyboard, or use the Command D if you use the Mac. Okay, now I'm moving to layer window and closing the eye sign of the current layer and making a new layer. Then I'm hitting the select from the menu and selecting the whole page. And now I should go to edit and choose the fill. And from the fill window pops up, I change foreground to the pattern. Then under option section, I'm selecting pattern, and now I can choose the last pattern that I made it. And now we see circle comes up as a repeat pattern in the design page. I click on the select option and deselect the page. Yes, this is a simple way that you can make a pattern from the shape or form. And now I would like to show you how to make another repeat from strips. The strip which is one of the attractive repeat in textile design. So I'm closing this layer and making a new layer. In this page, by choosing rectangular marquee tool, I'm drawing strips with different widths and filling them with colors by paint bucket tool. And I'm trying to make the strips in various distance from each other. One important point that I want to tell you in related using of the paint bucket tool. Remember, as the other tools, when you want to fill colors and using this tool, the anti-alias should be unchecked to avoid fading the shape borders. I fill the color for the last strips, and I think these are enough. Now I'm moving to select rectangular marquee tool again and dragging a rectangular from the edge of the first strip to end of the last one. And make sure not to select the white space. Okay, now I'm going to the menu and choosing edit and define pattern. From the Windows pop-up, I can change the name of it, and I don't change this time and keep the name as a pattern of as is. And I'm moving to select and choosing deselect design. And now I'm closing the eye of the layer and making a new layer and choosing the white page by clicking Ctrl A or Command A and moving back to the select menu and choosing the fill option. And from the window pops up, I'm choosing the last option, which is my strips. Okay, being the pattern comes up to the whole page, now deselect the page and we are done. I hope you enjoy watching this session. Please practice more and more until you feel comfortable making repeats. If you like this video, please subscribe channel to make sure you will aware of our further videos. Thank you so much and have a good one.